Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about eyeliners, where I'm gonna talk about different types of eyeliners like gel, liquid, pen and kohl eyeliners, and also I'm gonna tell you the easiest way to make eyeliner. So without any further wasting our time, let's get directly into the video. So guys, when I started my journey, it was really difficult to pick an eyeliner out of all those different types of eyeliner. Making an eyeliner is way difficult, but picking an eyeliner, I felt it's very difficult than that, because there are huge and different types of eyeliners are available in the market, and I thought I should definitely make it a video and let you know which is the best and easiest way to start your journey with eyeliners. Started with a liquid eyeliner, and it became really difficult for me to make an eyeliner. So I really regret till this time, because there are many videos in YouTube which will show you like how you can make an easy eyeliner or a winged eyeliner. There are very less videos, I guess, which gives you a proper information like which product you should start with if you are a beginner. This video helps you to make a decision which is the best eyeliner for you guys. First I'll show you how you make an eyeliner using a kajal. Always start with center of your eye, not with the inner corner of your eye. So from the center of your eye, draw a line towards the outer corner of your eye, so that it makes the application very easy. At first draw a very thin line. So from the second coat onwards, draw a thick line. When you go towards the inner corner, make it very thin compared to center of the eye. If you want to know the products I'm using, just check the description box. I have provided all the links. This is the final output. So guys, I'm making an eyeliner with a kajal pencil. Is really easy. That's all about this kohl pencil. Don't ever start with eyeliner at first. First learn how to make an eyeliner, so you are very comfortable making a line. So after that you can go for winged eyeliner. So yeah, now let's see how you can make an eyeliner using a gel eyeliner. I'm using Nykaa gel liner. At first take small amount and draw a line from the center of your eye towards the outer corner of your eye. The procedure is same. Apply 2 to 3 coats so that you can avoid gaps in between the line. This was done with gel liner, and this was done with kohl pencil. The output is same. You just see the difference. So there is not much difference between kohl pencil or gel eyeliner. It makes it very easy to make an eyeliner with both of those products. So but if you're using a gel eyeliner, you need to reapply it so that you'll not get any gaps in between. That's the only difference between both of those. So now let us see how to apply eyeliner using pen. I'm using Maybelline pen liner. Using the pen, don't hold it too tightly. Just hold it somewhat loose so that you can move it from here and there. Always start with a thin line. After that you can apply thick line. Pen eyeliners or liquid eyeliners gives you a shiny look. This is the final output. Using pen eyeliner also you can easily make an eyeliner easily, but you need a few practices compared to gel and pencil eyeliners. But the advantage of using a pen eyeliner is that you can always make it thin eyeliner or a thick eyeliner. If you use a pencil or gel eyeliner, you will get a thick eyeliner. But if you want a thin eyeliner, you always go for pen eyeliner. And also if you want a fine look without any gaps and strokes, you should always go for pen or liquid eyeliners. Now let's see how we can make an eyeliner using liquid eyeliner. When using liquid eyeliner, take very less amount and draw a thin line. Just be very careful. After all those practices, I made a mistake. Just keep key in handy. This is the final output. This one done with liquid eyeliner and this one is done with pen eyeliner. So guys, when you use a liquid eyeliner, you should be very careful because you will just tend to make many mistakes. And also if you take a large amount of liquid eyeliner, you will tend to take that to your lashes and it will create all that messy all over your eyes. So that's why if you are a beginner, always start your journey with a pencil like kajal pencil, then go for gel eyeliners. Then if you're okay with both of them, then go for pen eyeliners. So guys, if you don't have much time with you, so always go for gel or pencil eyeliners. You can make your eyeliner easily within seconds using those. So guys, if you want a fine, clean and shiny look, then go for pen or liquid eyeliners. So that's it guys, that's about all different categories of eyeliners. So I hope this video helped you in some or other way. And also one more point is that if you want to create a winged eyeliner, you should always go for pen or liquid, because creating a winged eyeliner with the pencil or gel eyeliners are way more difficult. Not get a clean finished look with that. You'll get it thick liners at the outer corner of your eyes. So keep that in your mind. So that's it guys, that's what all I want to talk about eyeliners. So I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, so then definitely subscribe to my channel. So comment down what other videos you want me to do only related to this channel. Also follow me on Instagram. So until my next video, bye bye.